Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Ayeni. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome to the family. And if you're an existing subscriber, you are welcome once again. How are you doing? Well, let's go right into the video. So today I'm going to be introducing you guys to this baby right here. I'm going to be introducing you guys to this sewing machine. It's very much new. I just got it, and it came with the motor. It came with the cord for plugging it into electricity. Obviously, it's an electric sewing machine. It's quite new. I tested it a little bit. I'm still trying to get the ends of the sewing machine, but I love it already, guys. This is the bomb. And this, oh, this is an extension. This makes more easy. I have not fixed this yet, so I'm going to fixing this together with you guys. So it's an extension. It goes this way, I think. Yeah, I love it. So let me plug it so that we can see what we got. Now I plugged in my sewing machine, and you can see it have different type of stitches here. It's have, let me zoom it in so you guys can see. So here is the basic normal straight stitching. It's 0 0 if you want it to go like 3 stitches, if you want to go like a zigzag number 3. So you can change it like this, like this, like this. You can choose different type of stitches that you want. Basically down here we have the alphabets, we have figures, we have Russian alphabet, we have English alphabet. If you want to sew anything alphabetical, you can just come here and use this alphabet button, and you can see on the screen it's alphabet. You can choose whatever figure you want to sew. If you want to put like a P, you just put in here the figure you want. It's pretty much straightforward. It's very easy to learn. If you want to go back to normal stitching, you just press it back and you have your normal stitching back. So this function is when you want to use a 2 needle. I haven't shown you guys the tools that came with the sewing machine. We have different tools that came with the sewing machine. There I will show you guys the 2 needle. 2 needle, I don't know how to explain it. No, 2 needle. So that's for that. And here you use to control how the length of your stitching and how you want it's just if you want your stitch to be smaller or you want it to be bigger, the distance between each stitch. And basically this is very easy for a seamstress or a tailor. Now I will talk about this here. Right here, this works for the speed. If you want to sew very slowly, you can just use this. If you want to go like a normal rate, if you want to go really fast, you put it on the fastest here. So now I have passed the thread on my sewing machine, and I'm going to show you guys what I meant by the speed of the sewing machine. So if you want it to go slow, you just put it, you see it's going really slowly. If you want it to go faster, you go more faster. And if you want to go really fast, it's quite very easy to use. And here we have a thread cutter at the side here. Now I'm going to show you guys how to work with the designs here. It's pretty straightforward, really. Now I have 0 0 and my normal straight sewing is 0 0. If I want to go work on a zigzag, I just increase it to a number 3. On the zigzag you can see a number 3 on it, and I just and I have my zigzag stitches right there. If I want to work on alphabets, I just go through my alphabet button. I look for which number or which alphabet I want to use, and I input the number on it. Now let me just use a T. Tomisen. The T is number 62. Oh, that is why this is number 62. That is T. I just do what? Actually, let me just use Tommy. And have O is 57. Oh, I should go back. And I have M55. And the I, where is the letter I51? So basically, it's that simple. As you can see, I just need to do the cleaning of the stitches. And I have my Tommy. You can see, the front, and you can see how it looks at the back. The stitch is it's amazing. It's clean, neat. This is what I got from my sewing machine. You can use the sewing machine to design whatever you like. Let me do one more design. Now let me go back to the normal straight sewing and use the design. Well, there's a car here, 83. Quite interesting. How would that look like? A car? I feel like put a car design on an outfit. Well, for kids wear anyway. Oh, my thread flew out. I have to pass my thread again. Okay, since my thread flew out, let me just use the opportunity to show you guys how to pass the thread. It's quite simple. You just go number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. That is that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's really a car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. We have a car, guys. We have a car. Can you see it? That is a car. We have all the, let me do something like a flower. Okay, a 90. Oh, I'm going back. So let me tell you something else interesting about the sewing machine. So all this while I have been sewing, if you notice this right here was a J. Let me go back. This is an O. This is another lap. I was sewing on this J. There's a J, there's an O, and there's a B. These are different type of machine foot that you can use to sew this design. So now I was trying to sew something of a 90, and it's gave me a B. So I tried sewing it, and it's giving me error. So I have to choose something that matches this footer. We have different type of footers. Okay, let me show you guys what I have in my this right here. Okay, I should have actually shown you guys this earlier. I should have showed this first. So as I said, I'm still trying to figure out the machine. Basically, there's B, there's J and O. I know it's different type of machine foot. I don't know which one is a J, which one is a B. It's actually in the pamphlet, the instruction. I just have to check which one I need to use for this. So yeah, I have this for cleaning. I have, ooh, are you guys seeing this? I have these reelers. I have these reelers. I have these for button, if I'm not mistaken. This is for button. Yeah, this is for a button hole. This is for button holes. I think this part also. Oh, now I understand. Now this is a B. You said this B? I don't know if you can see it, guys. Wait. This B, this is a 90. This is for a button. Oh, that is why it shows me to change the machine foot. This is a B. Let me see. This might be an O. Maybe. Who knows? But there's something like an O in the middle. And I have this right here. So this right here, when you want to use this, you use this button right here because it's a 2 needle. I don't know how to explain that, but this is, it has 2 needle mouth. And I have this, obviously this a ripper. Which one again? I have this might also, oh, this is another one. This is an H. This is another machine foot. I don't know yet what this is for, but I have not used this machine foot before, so I can't tell you guys what exactly, but it is all used for one of these designs. Okay, I know this one. You can use this for different things also. This is for zipper. This is a zipper. This is for your reeling. This is needle. I don't know yet. So basically that is all that came inside the sewing machine. And why this is open, let me try and fix. Oh my god, this video is, I hope this video is not going to be long. Okay, so here we go. So here we go. I want to input this table. Yeah, I don't think it should be difficult. It's quite, it has a stool. Wait, I knew it. As a stand that make it more balanced. Now it's balanced, very balanced. So basically, guys, that is that for my sewing machine. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to the official website or check it. And this is also a regulator, a stitch regulator. I forgot to mention this. There's so many amazing things about the sewing machine, and I'll be making more videos using the sewing machine, and I'll be showing you guys. If there is any question on whatever I do using the sewing machine, you can always ask me. So my machine is so very new. I still have the the tapes around. This is where you reel your thread, and this is where the switches are. Basically, That is that for today, and I hope you find this interesting as I did. So let me just go back to reset. And we are back to J. This is J is for this normal straight sewing. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed my video. I hope you learned one or two. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you learned something. And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Do not forget to comment if you have any comments. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.